Okay, so this is my cheap Chinese diesel heater running at max. Running at max on waste motor oil. I was just doing my oil change, and apparently it works. I am expecting to have toxic fumes. That's how my exhaust setup is. So if it doesn't fire, just blow into that. It's probably clogged inside, so you gotta put some back pressure on the intake, blow it out until you hear a poof. It will poof out, and then it's gonna start the fire inside again. Exhaust is gonna come out hot. This is coming out too hot. Okay, so yeah, it's black diesel, 50-50 right now. I haven't tried 100. This is, by the way, 5W40, which is diesel oil, is thick. I didn't filter it or anything. Yeah, let me try to see if I can take it off without disturbing it. Oh shit. Yep, disturbed it. So when you get an air bubble, it will stop your fire. So I'm trying to be careful.